device can be used widely in almost every field, right from a small kirana store to multinational companies. A few examples currently using these are call centers, hotels, restaurants, builders and developers, real estate agent, digital marketing agencies, schools and colleges, insurance companies, insurance agents, hospitals, banking sector and financial institutions, travel agencies, and other service-oriented companies. That's for today. Hope you have liked
device,
and you will make the optimum use to develop and increase your business. For purchase and other queries, please click on the link below.